Joining me now for the Trader Rundown is Scott Bauer of Trading Advantage. And Scott, we have that ADP number out today, and up next, of course, is the jobs report on Friday. What's your expectation?
You know, the number is supposed to be a little bit lower. I honestly don't think it's going to be anything that's out of range, give or take 5-10% out of range. And quite frankly, at this point, I think the Fed has already predetermined they're going to raise rates regardless of if the number is 100,000 or 300,000. So I kind of see this number as maybe one of the only ones this year, certainly within the last 6 months or so, that probably becomes irrelevant to the market and to what the Fed's going to do.
The stock market has been doing wonderfully well. In fact, the NASDAQ hit a new record in trading yesterday. So would you play the NASDAQ stocks here?
It did, but I'm a little suspect only because volume was really light yesterday. It was almost a continuation from last week's holiday. So for me, I've got to get a little bit more conviction there to see if we really can sustain those new highs and then break out from there. I'm on my way there, but I'm not there yet.
What about ULTA? That's a stock that you are playing right now.
It is. Earnings coming up on Thursday. All-time highs up right around 280, which is just $20 over where we're trading right now. From a technical standpoint, there's major support around 240 in this stock. To the upside, there's not a ton of resistance other than that old high of 280. So going into earnings, the charts to me actually look pretty neutral, but if anything, I'd be a little bit biased to the upside. Angie, you know that I usually like either buying call spreads, buying put spreads. I'm a premium buyer. In this one, I'm actually going to sell some premium. I actually am going to sell what's known as an iron condor. So I'm selling a put spread and I'm selling a call spread, targeting the 240 and the 280 area on either side. So I'll be selling like the 245, 240 put spread and the 275, 280 call spread, because to me, it looks like we've consolidated in ULTA, and those 2 points are pretty decent, support and resistance. So I'm going to play this one that we're not going to move out of the range on ULTA. But if anything, I would be biased a little bit to the upside.
You're playing the inside game.
I am playing the inside game on this one, and I know it's a store you love.
I love it. I love it.
Hopefully you can hold off until after earnings going there.
Thank you, Scott.
Thanks, Andy.